How to delete all mail on iPhone. If you want to delete all the mails on your iPhone, it's quite simple to do so actually, because all you have to do here is you can open the mail app, right? Once you open the mail app, you can go to specific mail, certain mail, like maybe you want a Gmail specific mail or an Outlook specific mail, whatever else it is, or even all mails right here, right? So all you have to do is to delete all of these mails, tap on the edit button from the top right hand side of the screen, and when you tap the edit button from the top right, here you can select either of these and you can select mark or you can select all right here. So when you select all the mail will be selected, after which you can tap on the trash icon basically to delete and successfully delete all the mails at once on iPhone. This way you will be able to delete all mail in iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.